Hey, what's up YouTube? Gonna do a quick video here, picking and decoding this. It's a Chrysler, Jeep, or Dodge lock. I don't remember what this came off of. I've had it for years and just never made a video on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. I'm gonna pick it with the CY24-CV Lishi. The CV stands for commercial vehicle, and as I'm sure everyone knows that's watching this, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge uses 4 depths. This actually has a 5th depth, as you can see on there, and that's for like Freightliner or semi trucks that use the same keyway, and they have a possibility of a 5th depth. That'll be for another video down the road. Now, this Lishi is one of the easiest ones to use. I highly recommend if you're going to get into Lishis, you're new at it, this is a good one to start with because it's easy to pick and it decodes pretty much spot on every time. Now, it's got 7 wafers in the door, and then you just have 1 to progress if you're ever going to make an ignition key. And go and get, hopefully everybody can see it here. And we'll go ahead and we'll apply some tension. So we're all the way in the lock here. All right, so I got number 2 there binding, 3, okay, 4 springy, 5 is binding. Click on 5, 6, okay, 7 springy, and 8's binding. Got a little bit of rotation here, so we'll go back through. And just look for what's binding here. Should only be probably 1 more. All right, we got number 7 binding. And lock's actually picked here. It's that easy. And most of these do pick that easy. And now we'll go ahead and we'll decode it. Get the camera to focus here. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see. And the writing on mine here is not real dark, so it's kind of hard to see. Hopefully it shows up in the camera. But anyway, got a start on number 2 here. So this goes 2 through 8. And we've got a 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, and 3. So that's the bidding on. Let me just show you the key. And if you'd like to see this key getting cut on the Black Widow key machine, I'll put a link to that. But there's the actual key with the bidding on it. And so like I said, this Lishi, very easy to use, good one to start out with. I use it, of course, for making keys as well as unlocking vehicles. And really, that's all I got on this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.